Welcome to the Stock Option Assassins free trade of the week. My name is Eric, and today is Monday, June 29th, 2015. And in this week's edition of Trade of the Week, we're going to take a look at a pullback in the cybersecurity ETF during this Greece-initiated sell-off. And if you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like us on Facebook for more technical analysis videos and strategies. So the ETF we are looking at, it has the ticker symbol HACK. It is the Factor Shares Trust ISC Cyber Sec ETF. And this thing, if we just zoom out a little bit, this thing has been in a clear uptrend with definitely some pullback consolidations. And, pullback, consolidate, it makes a new leg higher, pullback, consolidate, new leg higher. And I think this is the start of the next pullback consolidation. Now, obviously, there's a lot of, worry out there with Greece. I'm definitely not recommending buying this tomorrow and expect it to go through the roof. I think there needs to be a little bit of consolidation, but there's some things that are lining up. So first of all, the last leg that kind of went out had previous resistance, or 2 legs ago, around 29.50. It kind of consolidated on there, broke out. It pulled back, dipped below a little bit, but then kind of broke back out, back above this resistance. And now this resistance around 31 is starting to be support. Now, just like this case back in May, this doesn't mean we can't pull back a little bit more. But the other thing I look at with our swing trading system is our DMI oscillator, and which kind of measures buying and selling sort of, who's winning and some exhaustion points. And you can see right now that this is the most oversold that the HACK ETF has been since this, since forever, right? So I'm looking at a contrarian buy. I also have an oversold reading on our DMI stochastic. So I'm looking at seeing if we can get into this in the 30 and change range, buy some shares and look for the next move higher. Now I do realize that we could get some consolidation around these levels, so I do want to set my stop. So depending on how Greece goes the rest of the week and into next week, I just want you to keep this on your radar. If it looks like things kind of settle down and we start to get back above 31 here, then I consider buying HACK with shares, and I would then place a stop near the recent low. So for example, if tomorrow the world is saved and Greece is fixed itself, right, which is not going to happen, but if it did, I'd put a stop about 50 cents below this low and then go ahead and enter the trade. So if we trade down to 30 and then it comes back up, I would put a stop about 50 cents below 30. So whatever the recent low is, about a 50% stop on the reversal. So hopefully that helps, and I'll see you at the next update.